Hey everyone, Russ Sadikov here, coming in with a real estate update and to share with you what's been going on in the Silicon Valley real estate market over the last few months. And to start things off, I just want to outline that I'd like to focus this update on two critical dates which have played a significant role in the various shifts in the real estate market. The first date is March 16th, this red dotted line here. And this is the shelter in place date. This is officially when we went into shelter in place. We immediately saw a major drop in new listings in a time really when we are supposed to see gradual growth in home inventory. And the second date to note is May 4th. And this is when Santa Clara County officially announced that it will allow private showings of occupied homes. And this ultimately helped owner occupied sellers get their home listed and shown to prospective buyers, which this chart reflects very well. Santa Clara County continues to have historically low inventory levels, and we only have 1,573 units as of June 29th, out of which 1,000 are single family homes and a little over 500 are condos and townhomes. Now, this is very slim pickings for a population of 2 million people in Santa Clara County. So, what does all this mean for Silicon Valley real estate, for Santa Clara? Well, if I was to sum things up in one sentence, it would be Silicon Valley real estate market is hot. We are seeing multiple offers across all price categories, and homes are moving very, very quickly. We're also noticing that homes that are remodeled and are turnkey are selling a lot quicker. And this is probably due to the fact that buyers don't want to be involved in any kind of projects as we navigate through this COVID situations. Uh, all cities and towns that issue permits are closed and do everything virtually. This extended timelines for many of those that are doing remodeling projects. So most likely buyers just don't want to go into that situation. So what are your real estate plans for 2020? Let me know in the comment below, and I am happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.